Share the rest of my life, share my innermost thoughts, know my intimate details, someone who'll stand by my side and give me support. And in return, she'll get my support. She will listen to me when I want to speak about the world we live in and life in general. Though my views may be wrong, they may even be perverted, she'll hear me out and will not easily be converted to my way of thinking. In fact, she'll often disagree, but at the end of it all, she will understand me. Somebody who cares for me passionately, with every thought and with every breath. Someone who helps me see things in a different light. All the things I detest, I will